This apartment is located in Melbourne, in the middle of the city, in a building formerly the Victorian Railway Administration Office. The original building was built in 1893. Then in 1997, it's converted to its current form, which consists of 240 apartments. Half of it is now the Grand Hotel. The client's brief to us is simple. It's just creating an apartment that's suitable for her lifestyle and for her cat. She doesn't cook much. There's eateries, takeaways right at her doorsteps. Occasionally, she does wanting to invite guests and families over. The apartment layout is quite different originally. There was a bedroom closed off by low walls, which sits in the living space. And there was also a kitchen that's tucked away to the darkest corner of the apartment. This apartment only has a single sunlight aspect to the northwest. First thing we did was to take down the low walls, creating an open plan living. The major move we did was switching the bedroom and the kitchen location. We're showing bedroom will be in the darkest corner, and that's okay, whereas the kitchen becomes part of the open plan living. That way, every single corner of this apartment gets the daylight. So when you first enter the door, there's a full height unit to your right hand side, which is actually part of the kitchen. It consists of the fridge and pantry. The important thing though, it's a small nook that consists of the coat hangers for your bags, for your coats. Even an umbrella stand is incorporated into it. Then the main kitchen is to the left of that. The new kitchen layout is right in the middle of the open plan living, so we want to make sure it's quite recessive and quite picturesque, like a gallery. We avoided the high storage and keep it as clean as we can. Working with that, we also chosen a white cooktop, so it camouflages into the benchtop. In terms of the benchtop, we use a Korean material. It's an engineered solar material. What it allows us to do is achieve an 8 meters continuous bench top. The material even wraps down to form the sink and the vanity. There's a central L-shaped lounge in the middle of the space facing a TV credenza. The TV credenza then extends to form the integrated seating for the dining. We designed the TV credenza to hide as much storage as possible, and there's even more storage below the seating. We custom designed the flexible table. It also doubles as a study and working desk. So in normal configuration, it is a round table suitable for a couple or for a single person. However, the table leaves can be folded out to form a table for a bigger gathering during the occasions when you invite guests and families over. The bedroom is located to the original kitchen. We created a timber nook to define the area and to provide extra sense of warmth. The whole thing is housed under a timber arch ceiling that also mirrors the original restored archway. The extra layer of the timber archway also provides additional noise barrier since the apartment is located so close to the train line. The full height mirror obviously increases the size of the space. There is wardrobe to the both sides of the room. There's even a nook on either side as well that doubles as a bedside table and more storage. The sleeping is done by a queen-size Murphy bed that is hidden behind the full-height mirror in the walk-in robe. The use of lighting in the space, we want to create a sense of warmth, so we use indirect uplighting to create a sense of softness. The bathroom is accessed by a secret door next to the kitchen. You have the kitchen bench top that flows into the bathroom that forms the vanity and the toilet behind. The bathroom also houses the laundry, and we even put the hot water unit in there, but halfway up the ceiling for space saving. I think there's two reasons to repurpose an old building. One, of course, is to address the housing issues, but just as importantly, it tells the story, the history of the city. And so for me, I think that is a very sustainable way to look at the housing issue in a growing city.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.